number 7. Number Talaivan, straight out to heaven. Why always back in hand? He's the number 1, don't need fan. Number Talaivan, the other number 7 down 7. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Don't I shake, don't I shake, don't I shake.
Even don't need Fanta.
Don't I shake, don't I shake, don't I shake.
Number CSK da.
Durai 6, rare peas.
Hey, yellow dude. Get up, man.
Oh, Rosito,
Get up, come
no. No police. No police. Please, no
Okay,
police.
okay, relax, it's
no
all right.
police. Because your police is very strict.
Really?
Strict than Scotland police.
Oh,
The lockdown time, they catch me.
then?
They ask me to do dance.
Oh.
I danced. Belly dance, Arabian special. Then they ask me to speak in Zamil. It's not coming me. I tried. Many times I tried, then I said. Then I speak Zamil
Wow.
also. Then they give me very, very difficult exercise.
What are you saying?
Very difficult. Oh, my back is paining. My back. Okay. Oh, baby. Oh, Donny. I did everything. That big policeman, he hit my
Ah,
back.
oh.
This is my bomb. Before was like this. He hit me, it become like this. It's so
Oh, my
paining,
God.
Rose.
I'm so sorry.
That's why no police.
No police, no police. I'm here to help you. You tell me what you want.
Oh, you help me?
Yes.
No police?
No police. Come with
Oh.
me.
Please, can you give me your phone?
You want my phone?
Rrr.
Why?
I want to speak to my baby Habibi.
Oh, okay.
Rrr.
Tell me her number.
Remove the screen lock first. Do itne throw klise Naudiriye tunas tu.
1 sec. Dubai number?
Nay, Al Rama Buro.
Ah. No, wait. Cut. She cut the call.
Oh,
Let's try again.
oh, oh.
She disconnected again. I think she's deliberately cutting your call.
What's read the rule? Can you give me your phone to me?
Yeah.
I send a message.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, baby, Habibi, it's me.
Okay.
Wait and see.
So
Oh,
she
what,
will...
Radla? She replied. You see?
Ah.
You
Okay,
check
look here.
this.
Yeah.
Oh, baby. Baby, what a sweet voice, like a filter
Call
coffee. Now you call. She will pick up.
I'll call her?
Now you
Okay.
call.
Ah.
Oh, Radla, Surujna, I told you no.
Who are you? Give the phone to him.
Already knows you.
Yesterday I was waiting in the airport whole day. My legs are paining. Everybody is coming. Only you are not coming. Why?
I'm trying so many times to talk to you, but you not picking the phone.
Don't you have any sense? You are touching me. He is also touching me. How can I allow this?
I'm still in Chennai only.
Oh, Rosia, you got bored with me. You are settled with the new family there.
Oh no, Habibi, please. Please do not be angry on me.
Yes,
Habibi.
I am angry.
You know what happened here?
You are enjoying there like your grandfather, and I am suffering here because of your mother and 10 camels. Karahusi, hush. When I give camel tail soup to your mother, she saying, no soap? When I am cleaning your camel, it shit on me, and she looking and laughing at me. Do you think I am stupid to sit here and do all your stupid work? Oh, Rush! Oh, Rosia! I'm not your Habibi. I'm not your love. You don't come back to me at all. I don't want to see you. Stupid idiot. Haram, pussy.
She got the phone.
Don't worry, yellow dude. If she deposits her anger,
Oh,
you can give your love as interest to her.
wives are like money.
All over the world, all wives are the same.
Wives are not money. She is my honey.